This Kyagulanyi, I think, has the best political strategy I have seen. Kyagulanyi argues that Museveni can be defeated, people should register and vote. And I think because of that, he can easily motivate people to show up. The question for Kyagulanyi will be, can he eat into Museveni's base? Or can he attract those 32%? In 2011, there were 42% of the Ugandans who didn't vote. Can somebody bring them into the voting ambit? Because I believe that if voter turnout reached 80-85%, Museveni cannot win an election. Good. Museveni in this poll has 32% of Ugandans who say they are likely to vote. In fact, I'm going to place it like this. In fact, this may be a poll of Ugandans generally, not those who are likely to vote, even though they responded that way. I don't want to go into the details of why I say that. The second thing is that is Museveni's level of support. Countrywide, about 32%. Is a base, and what Museveni needs to do is in the campaign to add on about 5%, and then the rigging process gives him another 5%, and he's at 40. He always wins with 40% of the registered voters. 6 million votes he got in the last election, out of 15 million registered voters, is exactly 40%. In 2006, actually Museveni had gotten 37% of the registered voters. In 2011, Museveni got something like 42% of the registered voters. You should always know that Museveni has a small margin of support in Uganda, below 50%. He wins because of low voter turnout. Why is there low voter turnout in Uganda? I think one of the major reasons, not the only reason, but a major reason is that Museveni has a very strong campaign manager, a man with great credibility whom Ugandans who hate Museveni believe. He's called Dr. Chiza Besigye. He tells them elections don't matter. You saw it in the polling there. The people who said, I don't vote because I don't trust the election process. What Museveni needs is basically to keep campaigning that elections get rigged. Then Ugandans say, even if I vote, it won't matter. That's all he needs. If he can reduce voter turnout to about 65%, he will get 55% of 65.